Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can actually install the wallpapers in your Android device. So recently, friends, the KGF 2 teaser has been out in the YouTube and it's making a lot of records as well. So by the time it uploads 18 hours, the views was close to 51 million views in just 18 hours. So a lot of users, they did ask me, I think long back, how to get wallpapers regarding this superstar hero from the South Indian filmmaker. So right now I'll be trying to explain you which application to use to get the best results and what are the other options, other applications which are related to this particular hero, South Indian hero. So let's get started, friends, and do comment below if you're a big fan of this superstar or not. So do let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about this hero. And even I'm very big fan of this hero, friends. Seriously, I'm huge fan. I'm seriously more interested in this film KGF 2. And let's get started with this wallpaper application what I'll be going to review here. So which is called the wallpaper HD wallpapers. So the name says HD, but a few of the images you may not be getting that kind of HD quality, but still there are so much of good wallpapers which is available in this particular application. And just in case if you want to download these live wallpapers, so there's a links in description below, friends. That links will help you to download this kind of unique wallpapers in your Android device. So once you open this application, you will get so many KGF 2 wallpapers so directly in this application, as you can see, friends, so which is really good. So most of them seems to be kind of HD, but it's not close to HD. So if you see, look at small, when you see small, it's kind of HD, but it's not that kind of HD, friends. So let me try to open one of the wallpaper which I'll be demonstrating. So this is a wallpaper application which I'll be demonstrating. It's kind of close to HD, and even this one, as you can see here, there's so many good wallpapers which you can try in this application. So first thing is that you need to just select the wallpaper, and now you need to click on the plus button and you need to download this wallpaper. So usually if you click on this one, so it will take you to the wallpaper and contact photo. But if you're installing any other third-party launcher like Nova launcher, then it will ask you to the Nova launcher. So right now let me try to accept everything, and as you can see, friends, now you can adjust the position of the wallpaper as well. So now the wallpaper has been adjusted to the home screen. As you can see, in this way you can install this KGF 2 wallpapers in your Android device. So in other phones which you don't have any kind of launcher, so whenever you press this option, you will get only the two options, so WhatsApp profile pic and the contact photo. So in this case, you need to download and go to the gallery, and then you need to set this wallpaper as a lock screen wallpaper or the home screen wallpaper. So similarly like this, as you can see, friends, here. So you can get this kind of so many KGF 2 wallpapers, and so links will be available in the description below for the wallpaper playlist. So try to click that playlist and you'll find so many different unique wallpapers. And thank you, friends, for watching this video, and all the best for KGF 2 chapter 2 movie, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.